the street when on the corner of my eye saw a pretty little thing approaching me. She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. Or could you use a little company? If you pay the right price, you eat me with me nice, so you can go and send me on my way. Said, you're such a sweet young thing, or why you do this to yourself? She looked at me, and this is what she said. Oh, there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. Got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. Ain't nothing in this world for free. No, I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though you know I wish I could. No, there ain't no rest for the wicked till we close our eyes for good. 15 minutes later, I'm walking down the street when I saw the shadow of a man. We bout to fight. Then he swept up from behind, he pulled a gun up to my head. Basically, he wasn't looking for a fight. Give me all you got, I want your money, not your life. Try to make a move, I won't think twice. Told him you can have my cash, cause you know I got an estimate. You wanna live this kind of life. Ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. Got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. Ain't nothing in this world for free. No, I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though you know I wish I could. No, there ain't no rest for the wicked till we close our eyes for good. Come on, Nick, take it away. Just sitting at my house. The day was winding down and coming to an end. So I turned on the TV and flipped it over the news, and what I saw I almost couldn't comprehend. Saw a preacher man in custody taking money from the church, stuffed his bank account with righteous dollar bills. Even still I can't say much because I know we're all the same. Oh yes, we all sing like to satisfy those thrills.